Yet another one of these plastic hinged boxes. Love those from back in the day. These are not a complete set, just some singles from the 1986 Quaker Chewy Granola Bar set. So we'll run through and see who we got here. Willie McGee, Vince Coleman, a couple Gary Carters, a few Jack Clarks, 3 Steve Garveys. Oh, here's a good one. 1, 2, 3, 4 Tony Gwynns, 2 Dale Murphys, 2 Dave Parkers, the Cobra, a couple Tim Raines, 2 Pete Roses. Hey, there's a nice one. 4 Nolan Ryans. That's kind of cool. Quaker Chewy Granola Bar Nolan Ryan. 2 Ryan Sandbergs. 2 Mike Schmitz. 2 Ozzie Smiths. 3 Daryl Strawberries. 1, 2, 3. 3 Fernando Valenzuela wearing the batting helmet. Ozzie Guillen. A couple Burt Blyleven. Wade Boggs. 3 George Brett. Nice. Oh, there's the man, Ricky Henderson. Love him. 3 Ricky Henderson with the Yankees. Mr. October, 3 Reggie Jacksons. 4 Eddie Murrays. Yet another Hall of Famer. 3 Phil Necros. Dan Quisenberry. 3 Jim Rice. 2 Cal Ripkins. 5, 6 Tom Seavers. And finally 5 Dave Winfields. 1986 Quaker Chewy Granola Bar baseball. Good oddball stuff. Now I got to get it back in that hinged plastic case.